Hey, welcome back to Kelly's Feral Adventures. Today, I invite you to slow down. Have a seat, have a beverage, have a snack. Look at someone you love and tell them that you love them. Stop doom scrolling. Just stop. Turn off the TV. The world that we're living in is crazy. Today, this is going to be a most relaxing video. We're going to be putting on some more primer. We're going to be doing a little more sanding on our new countertop. Don't worry, there are plans for the old countertop. And go take a walk in nature. Touch grass, touch a plant, breathe, relax, relax. Guys, I have spent so much time this week just trying to finish tasks that are pretty boring to watch. I have been priming and removing hardware and removing the toilet, which I didn't figure anybody really wanted to see. So, I don't know. Let's see what we can do for you. Honestly, the priming never seems to end. I have primed myself half to death and here we still are. So let's just go.
Somebody told me, don't you waste your heart on him. Oh well, he made me believe we were perfect there and then. God knows I've tried seeing eye to eye, but it's been going on for way too long. You'll see red and start to lose your head when you get a little drunk. So baby, I will pack up my things, leave before you start a riot. Baby, I don't want anything from you but some peace and quiet. Just calm down, alright. Baby, I don't want anything from you but some peace and quiet. Don't stand in my way, I'm already out the door. Oh yeah, nothing you can say to make me come back for more. God knows I've tried seeing eye to eye, but it's been going on for way too long. You'll see red and start to lose your head when you get a little drunk. So baby, I will pack up my things, leave before you start a ride.
Hey, can I just tell y'all that it's endless little petty shit that I keep running into that is making this take forever, besides the fact that priming is not my favorite thing. And let me tell you why. Priming is one of those things that you have to clean and clean and clean and clean and clean and clean. And then this wood is so thirsty. It is so thirsty. And so I am using like a ton of primer to get this even covered. And it looks like crap. And you never even see it because I'm going to paint over it. And I'm like, really?
it's taken this much time to do something you're never even going to see. So anyway, there was some duct tape on here, and it's left a lot of sticky residue. So I went down into my studio and I got my acetone. Ha ha ha. So we're just gonna get rid of the sticky.
Baby, I don't want anything from you but some peace and quiet. Just calm down, alright. Baby, I don't want anything from you but some peace and quiet. I just got
PU. So, yep, got that off of there. And kind of made me think about getting out of sticky situations in your life. Like how whatever situation you're in that you want to get out of leaves sort of a gross residue once you think you're out of it. And then you have to go through all the steps to mitigate that grossness. It's a thing. It's a thing. So, yeah, got rid of the sticky. And the thing is, I'm not even painting that part. I just didn't want the sticky. So, yeah. Time to get on with the next little place to clean and prime. I'm not making y'all watch me prime anymore. It's just boring. So, see you in a bit. Hey, so, small change of plans. I was going to use a piece of redwood for my countertop. I have changed my mind. I actually went and got 2 pieces of wood. This piece of wood that you're fixing to see, I went up to Vermont to get before I actually got the redwood. And then I got it and I was like, I don't know. So I went and got the redwood, which I love. But I've decided to use that for something else. So we're going back to the original plan for this other piece of wood, which is a piece of blue or blued or bluing pine. So let me show it to you. Okay, this is our piece of pine. The reason it's called blued or bluing is because of these gray-blue stripes that go through. This is a really nice piece of wood. I like it a lot. I like the grain. I have a plan for this. And I like the pattern. I just think it's pretty. I really like that bluish gray color though. And the thing about this piece is it is just better shaped for a countertop. It's more square. I will have to rip it, but not a lot. The other piece is very curvy. So yeah, we're going to be using this. We're not mad about it. We are all right. So today we're going to be sanding this, and let's get to it. Today we're going from 60 to 600 grit. This piece is a little rougher than the redwood. 520. $600. Okie dokie, schmuck. Oh, that feels nice. Very silky. Let me show you. Wanted to take you to the sun, which meant a little hike. So yeah, here we are with our beautifully grained, beautifully colored wood. Our bluing, whatever, pine. We have some great knots. Some great striping. Look at that cool sucker right there. Yowza. It still needs to be wiped off. Look at that color. That's amazing. Anyway, that concludes our sanding adventure for the day. That took about an hour.